Hello everybody, this is just a short explanation of what typing.com would look like on your iPad if you did not have a keyboard plugged into your iPad. So if you're at home and typing and your only option is the iPad, then you will have to use a on-screen keyboard. I would suggest, if you have access to a computer or laptop and your family member is so kind as to let you use it, or if you have your own, that you do your typing lessons on an actual keyboard. But if you have no option, you can do the typing on here, and as you know, a lot of people type on screen with touchpads, so it is not a wasted effort to use this. The login is all the same. It looks the same as if you were on if you had a keyboard or a laptop or whatever. So when you get in and signed in, and you either start the beginner or you resume, as I've already started, at the bottom right you will find a little pop-up keyboard that will look like this, and it's just as simple as typing on here. Oops. Again, not the most effective necessarily, but a lot of us use the touchpad input. So that's how it works. Is the bottom right, there is a button that pops it up and takes it away.